Highlights. Today we are at Wicklow Harbour. We came for fishing, but as we came for fishing, we saw something very cool. As you see, you can see that there's a cave there. The cave looks very exciting, beautiful. We are going to explore this. Looks like nobody would have ventured into this cave. It is once in a lifetime opportunity that I'm going to take a chance and see what is inside. Let's go, explore. Let's go. For the sake of excitement, we are taking the chance. Nice. Anyway, we got to the bottom, close to the cave, and here we go. Wow, look at that. Nice view. So we almost got close to the cave. Yeah, close to the cave now. The pitch dark. I don't think we can enter this cave. Don't have proper gear, but it's very scary. We reached the cave. Watch this. Exciting. This is really exciting as well as scary. So I don't think I can take a chance getting into this cave. It goes deep and it's pitch dark. I'm not sure if you can see. Watch this. Yeah, I think. Also, there's high tide now. The water is not letting us cross across.